Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is April the 1st. It's Wednesday, and we're working on English. We're on page 122 to 123. And we're going to be focused today, a little blurry, just trying to get it to be happy again. We're going to be focused today on simple present tense. Of your verbs. So when you're dealing with your verbs in the simple present tense, it tells about something that is always true or about an action that happens again and again. Tells about something that is always true or that happens again and again. And please remember, when you are doing your assignments at home, it's just like at school. You should have a date. You should have the assignment in your composition notebooks. You should be taking notes with me in your composition notebook. Remember, your notes are for you, so they can be in print or cursive, whichever you write the best and that you can read the best. So, for example, whales swim in the ocean. Whoops, a little spelling error there. This is something that always happens, and my verb here in the simple present tense is swim. That's my action. The whales swim in the ocean. Notice that the verb does not have an S on it. It is in singular. I can also say whales eat fish. This is, again, the verb, the action is eating. This is something that always happens. What if I have a singular subject? A whale leaps. I have to add that S to the end of my verb from the water. When you have a singular subject, you have to add an S to the end of your verb. When you have a plural subject, then it does not need an S at the end of the verb. So, as we just said, a verb in the simple present tense, it ends in an S when the subject is singular. So let's take a look at our examples that are inside of your book on page number 122. It says, Amy always watches for whales at the aquarium. I saw a whale at the aquarium. And it wants to know which sentence is in the simple present tense. So Amy always watches for whales at the aquarium. I saw a whale at the aquarium. And it would be sentence A, watches, is in the simple present tense. Sentence B tells you about something that took place in the past, not something in the present. So it needs to be something that is happening or that happens again and again. So let's take a look at exercise number 1. It wants you to do 3 things. It wants you to identify the subject, so we're going to have to make some columns. It wants you to tell if it is singular or plural. And then it wants you to complete the sentence with the correct verb. Remember, no S if you have a plural subject, and S if you have a singular subject. And I'm sorry, I should have written this down on this line. So we have 3 columns. So let's do number 1 together, and then I will set you free. So on number 1, it says dolphins perform or performs in a show at the aquarium. So my subject in this sentence is dolphins, and I have that S on the end of dolphins, which lets me know that it is plural. So I'm going to write a P for plural. And then I need to decide which of my verbs is going to match with it. Dolphins perform or dolphins performs. And it should be perform. Remember, no S on your verb when you have a plural subject. So let's take a look at exercise 2 is the other exercise you're doing. And on that exercise, you simply need to complete the sentence with the correct verb. So bottlenose dolphins live in groups called pods, or bottlenose dolphins lives in groups called pods. So first of all, your subject is bottlenose dolphins. Dolphins is your subject. It is plural. Bottlenose is your adjective describing the type of dolphin. So dolphins is going to be our plural subject, which means we need the verb live, no S on the end. So number 1 is going to be live, and that's all you need to do. So you're going to do exercise 1, numbers 2 through 5, and exercise 2, numbers 2 through 10. Keep it, and then we will check it tomorrow. Have a great day.